VOCs, asbestos, and hydrogen cyanide are just a few of the many toxic cancer-causing chemicals that cling to firefighters' turnout gear.
Pretty much an entire toxic soup.
That's why they undergo a strict decontamination process after responding to fires.
We used to have gear next to our bed at night. It was kind of a cultural thing that you could see how much work somebody had done by how dirty their gear was. And in the last 20 years, we've completely changed that.
With approximately 263 fire-related incidents on our nation's 250th Independence Day, officials had to prepare well in advance, bringing in additional staff to ensure firefighters had clean gear without impacting emergency response.
So we would normally see 20 to 30 sets on a Monday, and we did 58 sets of turnouts with additional 20 sets of wildland, and then about 45 to 50 accessories. So it's 3x a normal weekend.
We're doing our part to protect the community, but we're also doing our part to protect ourselves.
Step one begins at the scene of the incident with the storm stick.
Think of it as like an on-scene shower. With the use of that surfactant and some scrub brushes, you can remove about 80% of the contaminants.
Then the turnout gear is backed up, collected.
Our drivers who go around to all of our stations every day will pick up and bring it back here at about 12 o'clock.
And brought back here to the care and maintenance facility, the largest PPE cleaning facility in California, to be thoroughly washed.
They're programmed specifically to use the surfactant that we use and to follow an NFPA standard on how to clean firefighting gear specifically. They'll dry overnight, and in the morning we'll process them to make sure there's no rips or tears, there's no UV damage or thermal decomposition of it.
And return the following day.
We've had an increase of our own members with thyroid cancer, which is a direct result of having carcinogens near and around your neck. And so we've had to go and make changes because we don't want members to end up having to go through chemo or worse.
All of the gear designed in-house for local fire conditions and the highest level of protection. Officials say the gear used over the 4th of July weekend was picked up and returned to the firefighters on Tuesday. Reporting in Sacramento County, covering local news that matters, Juliette Smith, Fox 40 News.